Hi, this is Odolena from Odolena Digital. This is my channel where I'm sharing tips and tricks on digital marketing strategies, sales strategies, and general ways of improving your business and sales. So today I'm going to talk about a concept which is called social proof and scarcity. So these are actually two concepts, psychological concepts, which are very interconnected with one another, and they're very, very strongly wired in our brains. So what I mean by them is social proof is whenever people try to get exactly the same object as other people from their social circles have. You will always see friends usually have similar bags, similar shoes, similar phones. This is kind of this social proof which is going along. Also, the scarcity. Whenever we see that a lot of people are interested in one thing, we tend to believe that this is a valuable thing and we want to have it as well. So you can test this very easily by going into your local store and just have a look around. You always see somebody who is maybe hesitating. They're holding a product in their hand and they are kind of thinking whether to buy it or not, maybe reading the label, the calorie count. So what you can do is you can just go behind them and quickly grab exactly the same product from the stand. So make sure that they see you, that you're taking the product. And maybe you can even say quietly to yourself, oh, thank God that I still have it. And just walk away. Well, chances are that this person is going to stop hesitating immediately and grab this product exactly the same way you did and put it in their basket. This is so powerful. You can see businesses are using this online, especially airlines, when you're booking tickets, for example, and you see how many people are looking at the same offer, or webinars. Since recently I've been seeing a lot of webinars from famous advertisers and marketers, which have this live feed of people who have just enrolled. I don't know how live the feed is and how real it is, but it shows these kind of little bubbles coming up in the corner of the screen. Oh, this guy just enrolled, this person just enrolled. So it kind of shows you that there is limited amount of seats and there are a lot of people interested. So this works. This is why it's been abused so much by marketers and by salespeople. So to protect yourself when you don't want to take such decision and to be manipulated by social proof, always have in mind whether this is real information, this is genuine live feed, or this is just fake. But also, if you are looking to increase sales for your website, why not approach your best customers for reviews? Why don't you get quotes from successful stories from companies or businesses that you've worked with? This is emphasizing the social proof, scarcity, and interest in your product. This is all from me for today. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more information in the following weeks about how to improve your marketing. If you're interested in learning more, there is a link under this video to my course on udemy.com, which has already 3,000 people enrolled. We are exploring techniques for generating leads and creating digital marketing strategies. You can enroll from the link directly. There is a discount this week, so hurry up. This is all from me for now. See you later.